Hey guys, wanna know how to create your Krisp account for free? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, launch your favorite browser and just simply type Krisp ad. Now click on the first link that will redirect you to its official website. Now to sign up, just simply select Get Krisp for free, that is right here. Once you've clicked on it, you will be provided with various options. You can either continue with Google, continue with Microsoft, or also use your work email and get a 7-day access. For now, I'm just going to select my personal email. And once you have done that, just simply press enter. Now, you will be provided with this page if you have used your personal email. Now you can either continue with work email if you have one, but since I don't, I'll just press skip. Now once that's done, there should be a 6-digit verification code that should be sent to your email address. Now just simply copy this 6-digit code and paste it to the website. And it should automatically direct you after a while. Now you need to connect your Krisp account to your calendar. You have two options to choose from. For now, I'll just connect with Google Calendar. Now you need to sign in for it too. Select any account that you like, or you can just select that personal account you will creating with. Simply press continue, and then you can either select all or just manually select what's necessary, and then simply just click continue. And that's it. You have been easily signed up to your Krisp account. As you can see right here, there are various dashboards and a UI popping up. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.